So, good morning, children. Children, all of you, please underline the points which I am going to discuss now. Now, some of you must be having the new edition textbook, and some are having the old edition. Now, even I do have an old edition textbook, children. So, here I will be highlighting some of the points. All of you, please underline in your textbook. So, when we discuss in the interactive session, we can highlight on these points. Am I clear? Now, let us see the first one. Blood up from first para. This is on page 78. Which page number? Page 78. Start the first line, blood till hormones. What are these? What could be the question over here? Components of blood. Now, what are the components? Red blood cells, white blood cells, that is WBC, platelets, and of course the fluid which is plasma. Am I clear? Then coming to the next, start another bracket, blood till body. These are what? These are the functions of blood. Okay. So this is which kind of connective tissue? Fluid connective tissue. Now let us move on to the next one. Bone. From second line, it till body. So instead of word it, you replace it with the bone. So bone forms what? The framework of the body. So you can take it as point 1. Then it also anchors and supports the main organs of the body. Point 2. And it is a strong and non-flexible tissue. Point 3. What are all these? These are functions. Okay. Functions of what? Bone. And the last point, it is strong and non-flexible, is nature of the bone. Then coming over here, bone till compounds, composition. What is bone made up of? Now remember one more point, children. Bone cells are called as osteocytes. Okay. Then coming to the third para, two bones till ligament. So bone to bone are connected by which tissue? Ligament. Then again, use from here. This tissue is elastic, point 1. And why it is elastic? You can mention here, due to yellow collagen fiber. What fiber? Due to yellow collagen fiber. You can write the point there, due to yellow collagen fiber. And it has very considerable strength, point 2. And ligaments contain very little matrix, point 3. So what are these? This is the structure and nature of features of a ligament tissue. Then coming to the next tissue, tendon. Connects bone to muscle or muscle to bone, point 1. Okay. Then coming to its nature and composition, they are fibrous tissue with great strength but limited flexibility. And why they have limited flexibility? You can add here, due to a fiber called as white collagen fiber. Which fiber? White collagen fiber. Then now let us move on to the next type of tissue, which is cartilage. Now cartilage, here you see the difference between bone and cartilage, has widely spaced cells. Okay. And the solid matrix is composed of proteins and sugars. This is the composition. Another point, composition. Okay. Now the cells of cartilage are called as what? Chondriocytes or chondrion. Okay. Then what is the function? It smoothens bone surface at joints. Okay, at joints up till their function. Then present in, so that is the location, trachea and larynx. Then another point we also have, in the fold of the cartilage of the ear. Okay, of the ear. These are the locations. Am I clear? Then coming now to the next connective tissue, areolar. Areolar is found between the skin and muscles, around blood vessels, nerves, and in the bone marrow. This is what location. Okay. Then coming to function, it fills up till repair of tissues. This is the function. Am I clear? Then coming to next one, fat storing adipose tissue is found below the skin and between the internal organs. Near your heart also they are found, children. Okay. So this is the location of which tissue? Adipose tissue. Now the cells of this tissue are called are filled with fat globules. Okay, this is the composition. Now, the cells are called as what? Adipocytes. What are they called as? Adipocytes. And coming to the function, storage of fat also let it act as an insulator. Okay, or as a thermal insulator. Now just let us have a view on the figures. So the first one you are able to see is the figure of your areolar tissue. Okay, so that is nothing but which will contain water, mast cells, collagen fibers, plasma cells, fibroblast and reticular fiber. Similarly, adipose tissue contains adipocytes filled with fat. This is your bone cell. Okay, in a concentric manner they are arranged with the Haversian canal, and then this is a cartilage tissue which contains cells in sets of 3 or 4 like that, loosely arranged in the matrix. Coming to this, these are the components of blood. Am I clear, children? Okay, so please do underline all the points what I have displayed to you today. Okay, so coming session we'll be discussing about muscle tissue.